Hello and welcome to TagoIO. In this video, you are going to learn how to create and set up a Compose widget. First, let's create a device for this demo. Go to Device and create a new one. Now, let's create a dashboard. I'll call this one My Farm. Add a widget and select Compose. Select which variables you are going to display in your widget. In this case, we are going to show silo 1 and 2, which will be our silo levels, and barn temperature. Now go to Parameter Configuration and select our widget background. You can choose between an image, a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, or a generic video. This background works with video streams as well, so you can create a widget with real-time video stream from your cameras. For this example, let's select Image. Now let's display the X and Y coordinates. This will be useful for us to get the exact location of where we want to place our icons. Let's resize the widget to the size that we want. And now we need to display data on top of our background. For this, let's use our device emulator. Go to Device and select Device Emulator. For this widget, we will use variable, value, unit, and metadata. Now let's change the variable temperature to silo 1. Let's say that our silo is 35% full. And let's add X and Y coordinates. I'll add 1 for now. You can get the coordinates by moving the mouse around the widget. For this first icon, I'll add 0.4 and 0.14. Now, let's get the coordinates for the second icon. Let's say that this silo is 70% full, and the coordinates are 0.75 and 0.29. Now let's get the coordinates for the barn temperature. For this variable, I will change the color of the icon. To do that, just add the color that you want in the metadata. You can also change the color of the icon by editing the widget and going to the parameter configuration. Or you can also send the icon that you want in the metadata. This icon should be an HTTPS link for an SVG file. Now let's add an embedded widget to our Compose widget. Add it to your dashboard and create a new tab. Now, in that new tab, let's add a gauge for our barn temperature. Edit this widget and generate the embedded code and copy only the URL. Going back to the first tab, we will edit the Compose widget and go to Advanced Options. There you can add web pages, so just paste our gauge URL and save. Now if you click on the 3 dots on your variable, you can see your gauge. You can also add links to your variables. Edit the widget again and go to Advanced Options. Type your link and an alias for that link and save. Now you can see your link and click on it. That's all for this video. Go to TagoIO to learn more and access our documentation.